So, guys, today's topic is about Camtasia, where when you start the Camtasia recorder, an error pops up saying, "An error occurred in the recorder, failed to pause recording. Camtasia Recorder stopped and saved the current recording." It's a common one, guys, and here I'm going to explain first why this happens with a proper demonstration. So right now, as you can see, cable output is selected in the Camtasia recorder as a microphone. But in the control panel settings, it's disabled. And that's exactly why, when your microphone service stops responding, your Camtasia will stop recording and an error will pop up just like you saw on the screen earlier. It's not always about the microphone being disabled. Sometimes, even when your microphone is enabled, you'll still face this issue just because your microphone is enabled, but your default recording device is selected as something else. So here, open the control panel first. Now make sure the view is set to category, it's just easier to follow me that way. Otherwise, just look for hardware and sound, then look up sound and open it. This will bring up a small window, just go into the recording tab. Now the easiest method is, guys, just disable all devices by right-clicking on each and choosing disable. Then re-enable your microphone only. This will help Camtasia to identify that you have only one microphone device active and ready to use. After that, close everything and restart your Camtasia recorder. Just close and relaunch it. Once you relaunch it, you're good to go. You won't face any issue. So in short, just make sure once you select your microphone, it's enabled, monitoring the audio, and selected as the default device. After that, launch your Camtasia recorder and you won't face any issue. That's it, guys. I hope this tutorial will help you to resolve your Camtasia recorder issue and you won't face it again. Not only that, but if you ever face these types of issues in the future with other applications, just remember this tutorial. It'll guide you. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself and your family. Bye.